Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to what has to be day number 3. I don't know how it's Wednesday already, but this is day number 3, week 4, spring 2026 of our journey together. Day number 3, week 4, spring 2026 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight, certainly a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. Let's get right to it, right? So my name is Mr. Pt. We are still in our higher purchase era. We should be doing higher purchase today and tomorrow, and we should end it. I just want to let you see different ways in which we can, see higher purchase questions. It's the same fundamental like way or the same fundamental um, idea or the same fundamental components. So whenever we talk about higher purchase, obviously higher purchase consists of two components. Can you remember them? It's two components.
Monthly payments.
Say it again, Adasa.
The monthly payments.
Very good. So higher purchase consists of two components, deposit plus monthly payments. Keep those ideas in mind whenever we talk about higher purchase questions. So today, my topic is higher purchase. And higher purchase part 2. Higher purchase part 2. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and do this. Good. So let's go ahead and write down this question. So it's gonna be a good question. I'm sure you're gonna be able to get it, but it's gonna be slightly different than how we normally would see higher purchase questions. That's why I like to do this example. But this time we're not buying a stove. What should we buy? Because y'all say y'all want a stove. So what should we buy?
A show pull, which is a Honda.
No, we should buy a iPhone 16. No, sorry, 17 Pro Max.
An iPhone?
A microwave.
A microwave. A microwave. Okay. How about a
bedroom
TV?
set?
How about a TV? Y'all have a TV? I mean, maybe y'all want a TV, like a flat screen TV. Or y'all don't use TV?
Flat screen.
Y'all don't use TVs no more, just your phone?
I do.
I still use the TV.
Y'all still use TV? Or just, I know everything these days, either your iPad, your tablet, your phone, soup it up. But for those persons who still have TV or still have television, but y'all have the big back TV, right?
No,
big back TV with the
Flat screen.
with the antenna.
My family has one of them, but we don't use it.
Yeah, so yeah, I haven't seen those big back TVs in a while. But here, go ahead, Renelle, read this question for me, please. A television set. Renelle Hensey. I don't know if she's available yet. So let's ask Amari. A television set. Amari King, can you hear me?
A television set was priced at $840. Mr. Jones purchases the television on the following terms.
Very good. So we're buying a television set. Now, if we have the cash, how much would we pay for this? If we actually have the cash, how much would we pay?
$840.
$840 if we have the money, right? Or we're gonna use these terms to be able to get this television, right? So the terms are as follows. So there are 3 components of the term. Number 1, we want to have let me go ahead and give you all the terms. Number 1, we're gonna have 20% down payment. What's another word for down payment? What's another word for down payment?
Deposit.
Deposit. Very good. But then we have to pay off the debt completely in 10 equal payments. So like I said, hire purchase always has 2 components. You always have your deposit and you always have your monthly payments. However, this question introduces a new idea that I didn't really talk about, but they could sometimes bring this idea in higher purchase problems. So obviously we have the down payment, which is 20%. We have the 10 equal monthly payments that we have to do, but they added something new to the problem. What did they add? They add what?
Interest charge.
Interest.
An interest charge, right? So interest charge that must be added to the bill as well. So sometimes we could have interest with higher purchase. That is something that we didn't see yesterday. Yesterday, the only thing we talked about is deposit, monthly payments, add them together, higher purchase. And that is great. That is how most higher purchase problems are, right? Just deposit and monthly payments. However, there can be some instances where you have not only the deposit, not only the total monthly payments, but you actually have the what? The interest on it, right? The interest on the balance. So that is something to consider, and that's what we'll be considering. It's going to make the question a little longer, but that doesn't mean it's going to be difficult for you all, because y'all are going to catch on very quickly. All right, so let's move on to, well, I need someone to read it. Any volunteers to read the three? Anyone want to volunteer to read?
Me.
Go ahead, that's Julian.
Amari.
Amari. Julian, did you wanted to read as well? Or that's Julian? Like I saw your mic open.
It's fine, it's fine.
You can read after. So go ahead, Amari.
20% down payment. 10% interest charge on the balance. Pay off the debt completely in 10 equal payments.
Very good. Thank you, Amari. Excellent reading. Julian, go ahead.
20% down payment. 10% interest charge on the balance. Pay off the debt completely in 10 equal payments.
Very good. So we have 20% down payment, that's I. Double I is 10% interest charge on the balance. And triple I is pay off the debt in 10 equal monthly payments. All right, so that's basically how it is, right? That's what we have to figure. Well, those are not questions, those are just part of the terms in which he's buying this television. All right, so let's go ahead and look at what we have here. So let's go ahead and do question number 1A. So this is question number 1A, and we're gonna unpack this. So the first question says that we want to calculate the amount of the deposit or the down payment. That's gonna be the first thing that we're gonna figure out or calculate. So this is all part of the question. So let me put that in. Maybe put that in like a purple so y'all wouldn't get confused. Oopsies. Oh no, what happened just now? Anyway, all this is part of the all this purple is just part of the, like, you know, the information they give you on the question. This is not like different questions. This is just part of the same question. They're just giving you, you know, it's the terms of his, you know, in which he has to pay. But the first question is calculate the amount of the down payment. That's our first question. Now, because that's the first thing you have to pay anyway. So according to this, what is the percentage of the down payment?
20%.
The down payment is going to be 20%. 20% of what? 20% of
840.
of 840. Very good. 20% of 840. Now, when I say of, what does of mean in mathematics?
Multiplication.
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So we have 20% of 840, and that just means what? We're going to multiply. So 20% of 840. That makes sense? Again, 20% of 840. So what is 20% written as a fraction? That's going to be what?
20 over 100.
20 over 100. Very good. So do y'all think y'all could be able to find the down payment? So we're gonna put 20 over 100. So how are we gonna find the down payment here? We have to do what? Y'all help me out. So down payment is gonna be what?
You could cancel.
I go, what could I do?
Cancel.
Cancel. Very good. I could cancel. So what I could do here is I could say, hey, let me first write the let me first write the what should I say? Let me first write the what I'm doing here. So I'm gonna use ink here. So we want the down payment, right? So down payment. Let me do it like this. So down payment is gonna be equal to 20%. Remember we said 20% is simply what? 20 over
100.
100 multiplied by
840.
840
over 1, right?
over 1.
Very good. And so we could cancel some stuff here, right? So what could we cancel? Let me go ahead and clear all this. What could we cancel?
The zeros.
Very good. So we could cancel. Tell me which zeros you're canceling out.
The
Which
1
zeros?
and 840.
The 1 and this 0 with this 0, right? So we could cancel those two. Any other zeros that we could cancel?
The 0 and 20.
Very good. The 0 and 20 with what?
The 0 and
The
100.
0 and 100. 0 and 10.
Very good. It's very good. So we could cancel out this 0 here with this 0 on 840 and the 0 on 20 and the 0 on 100. So we're going to be left with 2 over 1 multiplied by
84 over 1.
84 over 1. Very good. So this is going to be da, 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 da. Or 2 over 1 multiplied by 84 over
1.
84 over 1. Very good. And that's going to be equal to, what is 2 times 84?
168.
168.
168?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. That sounds like a smart answer. A lot of y'all got it, so it has to be right. Let me try and make sure I get the same answer like y'all. So we say 64 multiplied by 2. So basically 2 times 64. So 2 times 64, what's it basically trying to do? 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 6 is
12. I mean, 2 times
wait,
6.
2 times, I'm bad. My bad. I wrote the wrong number. It's supposed to be 2 times 8, right? So it's gonna be 2 times 8. What is 2 times 8?
16. 16.
Very good, 16. So it's gonna be 168. And so we have it. And we have it. Okay. So now we have 168 over what? 168 over 1, which is equal to
168.
168. Does that make sense? So that is the down payment. That is the deposit. All right. Does that make sense to y'all? Let me know if it's making sense to y'all.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Let me unmute some of the rest of us here. Okay. So, Logan, explain how we got the down payment step by step.
We put 20 over 100 times 840 over 1. We cancel out a 0 from the 840 with the 100, making it 20 over 10 times 84 over 1. And then we cancel out a 0 with the 20 for the 10, making it 2 over 1 times 84 over 1, which is 168 over 1, which equals to 168.
Very good. Very good. Any questions on this before I move on to anything else? More questions? Occasional, you understand this? That's occasional.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, it's your rule. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, explain how we got the 168.
From the 20%, you divide it over 100 and times by 840 over 1, then you cancel out the zeros. And it becomes 2 over 1 times 84 over 1 equals 168 over 1 equals $168.
Very good. So that is the down payment. Thank you, Acacia, and thank you, Logan, for eloquently answering that. Very smart. So we already did the 20% down payment, right? So now what we need to do is we need to figure out what is the interest charge on the balance. And we need to figure out what is, so we need to figure out, we already did the down payment now. Now we need to figure out what is the interest charge on the balance. And we need to figure out like what is the 10 equal monthly payments, right? So let's move on to the next part. So the next part, which is, so the next question is part B. Okay, so part B, what does part B say? Part B. Okay, so part B says the following. We want to figure out what is the balance. What is the balance? So what is the balance? How are we going to get the balance? So the balance is basically what is left after you make the down payment. So how much you have left after you pay the down payment? How much you have left to pay, or how much Mr. Jones have left to pay after you apply, after the balance is applied? So after the down payment is applied. So how are we gonna get that?
840 minus 168.
Very good. 840 minus 168. Because we're trying to find the balance, right? So we're trying to find like what is left after. I'm hearing myself. After he pays, after he pays the $168. Because the $168 is like it's insurance. It's like it's the deposit. So it's like I'm paying this, hold this for me because I want to pay the other rest of the money, but I don't have everything right now, but hold it for me. So the question is how much money he has left to pay, and that's gonna be what, 840 minus what?
Mr. Petit?
Minus 168.
Minus 168.
Very good, 840 minus 168,
Mr. Petit?
which gives us, hello, Genesis.
Hi,
gives-
I can't see the board. Do you have it up right now?
Open your eyes. Okay, I'm gonna share again. Okay, can you see it now?
I can't. I'm gonna try something and see if I could see it.
But you still can't see it, for true?
For real.
Wow. Open your eyes. Y'all remember that from Encanto? But y'all probably don't watch them stuff. Y'all probably too. Y'all probably too old for
I
Encanto.
forget about that.
Never too
Mr.
old
I
for
don't think that was in
Mr.
Encanto.
Petit, like,
Old.
I'm too old for Encanto.
But
I'm
AI,
too,
Never too old for
I'm
Disney.
too,
I think my sister won't fall. I got though.
I'm too old for Encanto. I'm too old for, we don't talk about Bruno. I'm too old for that.
I didn't know that
No,
AI could.
we don't talk about Bruno.
There you go. There you go. Give some
I didn't know that AI could rage bait. Honestly, I didn't know.
AI have multiple talents. As you go through this course, you'll see. But yeah, there's a part where I say, open your eyes. So anyway, y'all my dog go. Let me shut up. I shut up, I say Frozen. Everyone will be, hey, Frozen, let it go, let it go. Oh, flip, so
Well,
Yes, man.
you all on for this one.
shoot, y'all ain't know where that come from. Y'all see the meme. Y'all ain't watch the movie for true. Y'all ain't real troopers. Y'all just see the The TikToks, y'all
Watch the movie.
y'all ain't real. Y'all ain't know what
Alpha
she had
was
to
my
go through.
thing.
Y'all ain't know what she had to go through. Y'all ain't know. Y'all ain't know she in the cold.
Dude,
Y'all ain't know.
that's
Y'all
my
ain't know
favorite
that.
movie.
Y'all ain't know about that, man. Y'all ain't know about that. Anyway, we need to find now the interest. The interest. How are we gonna get the interest? So we got the no, now remember now it says 10% interest charge on what? 10% interest charge
Balance.
on the balance. So we're gonna do 10% of what? So 10% of what?
672.
672.
Wow, this number keep on hunting us, man. It's hunting the class. Okay.
Give
So we
it
have
2 more months and I'll die.
I don't think so, bro. I think this all of spring.
It's stuck.
Not until next semester. All right, so we have 10% of what?
672.
672. Very good. Because they say 10% of the balance, right? And like I said, this is like a new thing. Like usually in higher purchase questions, we don't really have that, right? So when I saw that as this question, I was like, oh, that's interesting. This would be nice to give my smart students today. Because usually you would see questions where they just ask for the deposit and they ask for the monthly payments, and that's it. But this question is a bit weird because, let's say unique. It's not a weirdo. This question is just unique. It has this interest here that we have to figure out. First, we have to figure out the balance, which is taking the $840 and minuses with 168. That's how we get 672. Then we're gonna find the interest. The interest is gonna be 10% of the balance, right? So 10% of 672. Okay, so that's gonna be, so what is 10% written as a fraction?
10 over 100.
10 over 100, very good. It's gonna be 10 over 100. And we could do 10 over 100. And then we're gonna multiply. By the way, of means to multiply. So we go 10 over 100 multiplied by 672 over 1. And that's how we're gonna be able to do that, right? So what could we do? We could cancel what? This 0, those 2 zeros. So we'll be left with what?
672 over
172 over 1.
672, not over 1.
over 10.
Remember 10 times 1 over 10. And then 672 divided by 10 is going to be
67.2.
67.2. All right.
You should have just times by 0.1. It'd been easier.
We could also times by 0.1 as well. Okay, so let's move on from this. So we have so so let's go ahead and let me actually write it down. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. So we have 10 over 100 multiplied by 672 over 1, which is equal to, let me clear all drawings, by the way. Clear all drawings. Multiplied by, this is going to be equal to, what we could do here is we could cancel out this 0 with this 0. So we left with 1 times 672 and 10 times 1. Okay? So 1 times 672 is just going to be 672. All right? 672 over 1. So 678, there we go. Come on, guys. I don't know why this thing won't work. There we go. 672 over 10, which is equal to Whenever we divide it by 10, all we gotta do is move the decimal place once. So that means that it's gonna be 672, 67.20. We got 0 because we deal with money, right? So 670, well, $67.20. So let me make that very clear what I did. All I did is that you notice that we have, let me put it like, we notice that we have 672 all over 10. What I'm saying is whenever you're dividing by 10, the short way to divide by 10 is all you need to do is take a 6, 7, 2. The decimal point is here, right? So you move it once over here. Remember the decimal point is here. So you move it once over here. So it's going to be 67.2. So it's going to be 67.2. Okay. Again, we take the decimal point and we move it over to the left because we're dividing by 10. That's like the rule. Whenever you're dividing by 10, you take the decimal point and you move it over to the left hand side. So it's going to be 67.20, right? And so the answer here is going to be $67.20. So that's going to be the interest that he has to pay. So far, what he has to pay? He has to pay the what? The down payment. He has to pay the 10% interest charge. And what else he has to pay? So the down payment, which is 20%, the 10% interest charge on the balance, and what else he has to pay?
The debt.
Pay off the debt in 10 equal payments.
Very good. Pay off the debt in 10 equal payments. All right, so you have to pay off the debt in 10 equal payments. All right, so good. So let's go ahead and any questions on how we got the interest? Any questions on how we got the interest? Okay.
Class,
Yes, someone have a question?
can you just explain it one more time for me, please?
Okay. So the interest, do you understand how we got the down payment of Genesis? Think so? Can you hear me clearly? Genesis sound like you're breaking up. You can hear me?
I can.
Okay, so we have two options. He could either buy the television for how much money? In cash.
$840.
$840. Or he could go and use the higher purchase plan. Now, the higher purchase plan usually consists of the deposit and the monthly payment only. However, with this one, this person is really trying to win off him because they also charge them a 10% interest charge on the balance. So not only does he have to pay the deposit, and not only have to pay the debt, but not only does he have to pay 10 equal monthly payments, but he also have 10% interest charge on the balance. So the first thing we do is we do 20% down payment. So it's going to be 20 over 100 multiplied by 840 over 1. We cancel out the zeros and we left with 2 over 1 multiplied by 84 over 1. We do 2 times 84, which gives us 168. And so for our down payment, we get 168. That is what he's going to give to the person just to hold it for them, just so that they could hold it for him. And so they won't sell it to nobody. That is the down payment. Now we're going to get to the balance. So remember, it costs $840. So what that means? That means that we're going to take the $840, we're going to subtract it with $168 because we're trying to figure out how much you have left to pay. Does that make sense to you?
Yes, sir.
Good. We're trying to figure out how much he has left to pay. So how much does he have left to pay out after he paid the 168 deposit? How much does he have left to pay?
He has
That answer.
he has $672.
Why you say $672?
Because it's the balance.
Very good. It's the balance. And now we get 672.
By taking away the $840 from the $168.
Very good. So we subtract these two, so we get 672. That is the balance. make sense? Now, what we need to do is we need to figure out what is 10% interest charge on the balance. So now we need to do 10% of 672. And that's what we did here. We did 10 over 100 multiplied by 672 over 1. Obviously, we cancel the zeros here. And so we left with 1 times 672, which gives us 672. And we have 10 times 1, which is 10. Right? So we have 672 divided by 10. And we know that division by 10, all that means is to take the decimal point that is behind the 2 and bring it over once to the left. So what we have here is we have 67.2. And since the 0 in the back is a placeholder, we just put the 0 here. So we have $67.20. That is the interest charge on the balance. That makes sense?
Yes,
at least
sir.
a little. All right, good. So let's move on to question number or part. Oh yeah, part what? Part D? Yeah, A, B, C, D. Cool. So it's gonna be D. Now D is a different question. So D, what D wants us to do is that D wants us to calculate the balance plus the interest. So the balance plus the interest. So calculate for me what is the balance plus the interest. So the balance plus the interest is gonna be what? So balance plus interest is gonna be what?
672 plus 67 dollars and 20 cents.
Very good. Thank you, Adasa. I not only Adasa is here. The rest of you, what is the balance plus the interest?
672 plus 67.2.
Very good. Not just Adasa and Logan. The rest of you, what is the balance plus the interest?
672 plus 67 and 27.
Very good. So basically we added A and B, right? The balance is $672. $670. That's the balance. And the interest is what? $67.20. And this is gonna be equal to what?
$739.20.
$739 and what?
20 cents.
20 cents.
20 cents. $739.20. Good. So let's go ahead and let me go ahead and add it. I need to show you all the addition because some people might, kind of make a little mistake in adding. So what we have is we have 672 plus 67.20. We have to add these two. Obviously, we're gonna put what? The imaginary 0 here. Imaginary 0 here. So we have 0 plus 0, which is going to be 0. 0 plus 2, which is going to be 2. Put the point here. Put the point there as well. 2 plus 7 is 9. 7 plus 6 is 13. 6 plus 1 is 7. So I get $739.20. That is going to be my what? My interest plus my balance. So the answer is going to be what? $739.20. Okay, does that make sense? To you all?
Yes, sir.
$739.20.
Yes, sir.
Good. Clayton, explain how we got the balance plus the interest for me.
The way you got the balance and the interest, you added 672 plus $67.20, which adds up to $739.20.
Very good. Very good. And any other volunteers to explain part D? I need a volunteer to explain part D.
You add the balance plus the interest, which is 672 plus 67.2, which equals to 739.2.
Very good. So what we have to do is we have to add, basically all we added is B plus C. Add those two, the balance plus the interest. Once we add those two, we get 739. Now I need someone who name start with, I have a lot of J's here. If your name start with J, I need you to volunteer to do part D. Any J. So that's what, Jaden, Jamari, Joel, Juan, Drusilla. Y'all are the J's, so any one of y'all could help me out with part D. Don't be shy.
Why don't you eeny, meeny, miny, mo?
Any minimum? No, I want them to volunteer. I'm sure they are willing.
I could try.
Go ahead, Joel.
Okay, so which fine? No, so okay. So what? So I just start from the beginning.
No, start from D. That's all I want you to explain D, how we get the balance plus interest.
So we add the balance and the interest, and the balance was 672, and the interest was $67.20, which equals 739.20.
Very good. So all we do is we add part B and part C. That makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, now we're gonna do part E. So we got the balance plus the interest. Now what we need is we need to figure out, this is part E. Part E. All right, part E, part E, part E. Part E says that we want to figure out what is each of his monthly payments gonna be. What is each of his monthly payments gonna be like? Okay, that's part E. Part E is gonna be what is each of his monthly payments. Shannon Smith, where's Shannon Smith? Where's he? Read part E for me, please.
Each of the 10 monthly payments.
Very good. Each of the 10 monthly payments. Very good. Cleveland, read part E for me, please. What do you have to figure out?
E of the 10 monthly payments.
Very good. Each of the 10 monthly payments. And Jaden Python, where's Jaden? Jaden Python, can you hear me? No? So let's look at Jamari Evans. Where's Jamari?
Yes, sir.
Read part E for me, please.
Each of the 10 monthly payments.
Very good. We want each of the 10 monthly payments. My question is, anyone can ask, how are we gonna get each of the 10 monthly payments? Anyone can answer this one.
By 739.20 by 10.
Hey, Sia, you sound like you're saying the right thing, but you sound so far from your phone. I mean, from your
I
device.
said I think it may be times 739.20 by 10
You want to times it or you want to divide it?
times.
Just switch that. Switch it from
You
times.
divide it by 10.
Divide. Very good. You want to divide it. Very good. You want to divide. Because you are right. We have to use this number. But remember, we have to share it. Keyword. Share it among 10 monthly payments. That makes sense? So say if we're sharing something, are we going to multiply it or are we going to divide it? If we're sharing it out, divide for sure. So it's going to be 639. All right, 639. So there's going to be, so monthly payment, they say each of the 10 monthly payments, yeah. So monthly payments is going to be, monthly payments is going to be, and I think I know I should say multiply because yesterday we had to multiply to get the monthly payments for true. But for this one, we already given the total amount. We just have to spread it out into the equal payments thingy. So we have 639 divided by 10. Luckily, we are dividing by 10. And whenever we're dividing by 10, what does that mean? All we have to do is what? Move the decimal place
Move the decimal.
to the what? Left, right?
Left.
To the left. Very good.
The left.
The left. Very good. So that means, so what's the answer? It's going to be what?
$73
and 92
At $73 and
92
92 what?
cents.
Yeah, 92 cents. Yes. $73.92. So we just divide by 10. So let me just show what we did. So we took 7, 3, 9.20. We divided by 10. So that means that we gotta move the decimal place over here. So it's gonna be equal to what? 7, 3.92. And that's how we're gonna be able to get that. So that means that we have $73.92. So what did we do so far? Or what did we do in this whole thing? What we did was we first found the down payment. And we found that the down payment was $168. Then we had to find the balance. We find the balance by taking 840 and minus it with 168 to give us 672. Then we have to find the interest. The interest is 10% interest charge on the balance. We could change this number, 20, 30, 40 could change. We have 10% interest charge on the balance. That's the interest. Then we have D, which is the balance plus the interest. So the balance is $672. The interest is $67.20. We have balance plus interest, which is going to give us $739.20. That is what he has to pay back. He not only have to pay what he owes them, but he also have to pay the interest as well. And the interest is 10% of the balance. And so we're gonna take that $739.20 what he has to pay. We're gonna take that, we're gonna split it into 10 equal monthly payments. Since we're sharing it among those 10 months equally, then we have to divide by 10 because that's what division is, equal sharing. So $739.20 divided by 10 gives us $73.92, which means that we took the decimal point and we moved it over to the left-hand side. That's what it means to divide by 10. Okay, so this is us. This is our answer. Any questions for us? Any questions? If there are no questions, then take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Quickly do that so we can do another example. But again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp quickly. Shamar Stewart, where's Shamar Stewart? Shamar Stewart, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand this? Or are you lost?
I understand.
Okay. Have you written this down? Or are you still writing? Are you still writing?
I write it now.
Okay. Do you have my number?
No, sir.
Okay. So let me send my number inside the chat. I need you to take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Have you sent anything to me before?
No, sir.
Okay. So my number is inside the chat. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, it is 426-8891. Now, when you send your work, Shamar, what to do is put your name so that I can know that it's you. All right.
So.
And then we have Serenity. Beautiful name. Serenity, how are you doing? There's Serenity. Serenity, where's Serenity? No Serenity, even though her name is so pretty. Serenity, are you there? Can we have from Serenity? No, no Serenity. So we have Ranika. Ranika, have you written this down? Ranika? Where's Ranika? Can't really hear from Ranika. Ricardo, lead it. Where's Ricardo? Where's Ricardo? Ricardo, can you hear me? Ricardo, Lending.
Yes, sir.
Have you written this down yet?
Yeah, we write down.
Okay, good. Have you sent me the work yet?
No, sir.
Okay, so do you know my number? Take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp, okay? And that is Renaj Adali. Renaj Adali, where's Renaj Adali? And Renique Wood. Where's Renique Wood? Renique Wood and who else? Nehemiah Davis.
Yes, sir.
That's Nehemiah, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nehemiah, let me ask you a question. Have you written this down?
Yes, sir.
Have you sent me the notes as yet?
I'm sending it now.
Okay, good. The rest of us, have y'all sent in your work? Let me know if y'all sent in the work as yet.
I sent in mine.
That's good.
I
Very
sent
good.
mine just now.
Very good, Dominique. Let me check my phone. Let me see. Very good. Very good, Davia. Very good, Daria. Very good, Kelvin. Genesis. The rest of y'all, a lot of y'all have sent it, so that's very good. Okay, cool. So good. So let's go ahead and do very good, Malia. Very good, Logan. Latavia, and everyone. Very good, Amari. Finally sending the work. Good stuff, Ajani. Very good, Ajani. I know I always on you, but you sent the work today, so that's good. The rest of us, please take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I should have more from you all. Okay, good. So if there are no questions on this, let's do one more, right? So because I know that some people might still be lost. I remember when I was a student, when I approached this, I promise you, I was lost. I promise you I was lost. I was right in the back of the class, lost as can be. All I know is numbers was on the board. I didn't know what days. And the thing is, everyone was getting it, and I was so lost.
Oh my.
I thought it was AI.
Yeah, AI had to be trained. You know that? And the AI is get trained. Model. Yeah.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead, Andrew.
You could go back to the last slide for a second, please.
No problem. So this is our first example. Yes, he wants to. I guess he wants to take a look at something. This is going to be very helpful for us. Okay, you got it?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's look at our another question, right? So okay, so we're gonna we still behind a television set, but I need a name for the person. The last time we used Mr. Jones, we need another name. Mr. Who?
Jerry?
Mr. Who?
Mr. Peterson?
Jerry?
Mr. Peterson? You can't use Mr. Peterson in the Bahamas.
Okay, Mr. Roland.
It's
Mr.
my guy from Hello Neighbor.
Mr. Peterson.
Mr. Roland.
Wow.
Mr. Roland.
Mr. Lincoln
Mr.
Neal?
Roll.
Mr.
Mr. Clark.
Curry. Mr.
Mr.
Curry.
Mr. Roll. Mr. Curry. I can.
Sanchez.
Mr. Who?
Sanchez.
You can't use Sanchez, man. Can't use Sanchez. I'm sorry, but you can't use Sanchez, man.
Christopher Columbus?
Stapleton.
Stapleton. Now y'all just rage baiting me.
Keyboard?
Say keyboard.
Mr. Clarkson.
Mr. Clarkson.
Williams.
Mr. Clarkson sound like Superman. Not Superman like name or something like that. Clark.
No, it's Clark.
Yeah.
And Clark, yeah. Okay, let's go with Mr. Russell. How about that? I like Mr. Russell.
Now you're rage baiting us. You ask us and then make your own up.
Who says Russell?
Uh,
Who is
Russell.
Russell?
What you mean, Russell? Russell is coming.
From the movie.
Russell Westbrook.
I've seen one Russell in my life.
Wow. I've never seen a Clarkson.
I don't know too much Russells.
What about Kelly Clarkson?
Kelly Clarkson. Oh yeah, I remember Kelly Clarkson. But we don't want Kelly Clarkson. I mean, she did a good rendition of the national anthem, but you know. No, she did My Country 'Tis of Thee. Oh my goodness, that girl could sing. You all should look it up. Kelly Clarkson, My Country 'Tis of Thee. She could sing really good. Okay, so I should play it for you all one of these days. Y'all gonna like it. All right, so even though all my friends say they're like, we don't want to hear that. I just like it. It's
AI has friends?
AI can have friends?
Oh.
Yeah, my
What?
no. I have a bunch of friend bots. Friend bots, you know.
You friends with Gemini?
We don't really fool with Gemini.
What about ChatGPT?
Yeah, that's what people with. And Grok.
That's
All
his
right.
day one.
Oh boy.
Gemini is one of the best.
Never. I was gonna hold that, yeah? Say Gemini. Try. Sit down. DeepSeek. I'd rather go to DeepSeek and Perplexity before I go to that stuff. Before I go to Gemini. Just Gemini. All right, so but Gemini has its perks because Gemini, the free version, is really good. Okay, so television set was priced at $920. Mr. Russell, I should have used Mr. Rowley. Mr. Russell purchased the television set on the following terms. So it's for $920 and you have the same terms, right? I think I kept it the same. It's the same terms. We'll change it in the grade exercise, but for now we can keep it to 20%. I don't want to confuse y'all. So we keep in the same terms. So y'all have the same, y'all it's gonna be the same question. So if you want to go ahead and try it on you can do that. Shamar, can you read the question for me? This is question number 2. I put number 1. Question number 2. Go ahead, Shamar, read this question for us.
Which one?
The same one that was on the screen. A television set.
A television set was priced at $920. Ms. Russell purchased a television set on the following terms.
Continue. Read the whole thing.
Say, I, 20% down payment. Number 2, 10% interest charge on balance. Number 3, pay off the debt completely in 10 equal payments.
Very good. And thank you. And we have Nalia. Miss Nalia. Nalia, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. I want you to read this question for me.
A television set was priced at $920. Mr. Russell purchases the television set on the following terms. You want me to continue?
Continue, yeah.
Number 1, 20% down payment, 10% interest charge on the balance. Pay off the debt completely in 10 equal payments.
Very good. So the first thing we want to do is we want to figure out what is the down payment, right? So we're going to do basically the same thing we did last time. So part A is going to be the down payment, right? We're going to figure out, what did I say the first time? Yeah, so calculate the amount of the down payment. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me put this in purple. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. All right, down payment. Down payment is going to be equal to, where's Canaan? Is Canaan now? Where's Canaan? Is he here?
I think the power off him.
You think the power off by in that region?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
a lot of people power is off, like admittedly, right?
Yeah, I have generator, so.
Oh wow. Okay. All right. No, not the flex. Okay. Casually. Okay. Wow. You
Big
just
deal
like
it was.
it's like
You have a
it's,
generator.
it's like wow. So, yeah. Well, I have I like them. Fellows.
He literally said they don't like us. They don't like us.
Yeah, they literally said that. Literally. Wow. Okay, Juan. I gotta watch it for you. All right. So we have 20 over 100 multiplied by 920 over 1. What we gonna do here, class? We have to do what?
Cancel the zeros.
Very good. So we cancel this 0 with this 0, along with what? This 0 with what?
The other 0
The
and
0
100.
from 10.
There. But what y'all final answer is? Because I'm sure some people get some answers already. What is your final answer?
184.
Say it again.
184.
184. Anyone else got 184? Adasa got 184. Anyone else got 184?
I got it.
You got the same thing? Okay. So we have 2 over 1 multiplied by 90. We have 2 over 1 multiplied by 92 over 1. And yeah, so we're going to do 2 times 92, which is 92 multiplied by 2. So we have 2 times 2, which is what?
4.
4. Very good. And 2 times 9 is
8.
18. Very good. So I got 184, just like Adasa and a Logan and a Keyshawn. So it's going to be 184 all over 1, which is equal to $184, right? That is the down payment. Are we good? Any
Yes, sir.
questions? We good? Any questions for us? Anyone? Okay. That's the down payment. Avriel, do you understand how we got the down payment? Avriel,
Yes, sir.
that's good. Can you explain how we got the down payment? Go ahead, Avriel. Can you explain how we got the down payment? I can't hear her now. Renee Sweeting. Renee Sweeting, are you there?
Yeah, sir.
Good. Can you explain how we got the down payment?
20 over 100 times 920 over 1. That equals to 2 over 1 times 92. When you cross over the zeros, and that equals to 184 over 1, and the answer is $184.
Very good. And so that is $184. That is going to be the down payment, right? That makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good, Renee. Avriel, are you still there? Where's Avriel? That's Avriel. Can't hear from Avriel, but it's 184. Now we need to figure out what is going to be part B. What's part B? What y'all have for part B? What part B say?
The balance.
Balance.
Balance, very good. Balance. Now the balance is what's left, right? Excuse me. So after you pay this, by the way, how many of y'all have generators? Like 1.
I have one, but it's not connected to the house.
You have 1?
I have one.
You do?
I have one.
You do?
I really know.
You don't really know?
I just know I have one too.
Oh gosh. Boy, I don't like them neighbors, boy. And when you look at pitch dark, and all you hear is kazoom. And then there's only one with light in the neighborhood. Come on, man. Y'all can't be like that.
Hello, well.
Y'all can't.
If you was AI, how would you know about all of that if you was AI?
Y'all
That's
can't
how
be
it
like
is,
that.
you know.
Y'all can't be like that, man. That's
So,
disrespectful.
Mr. Petit, if you was AI, how would you know about all of that?
I know everything. AI know everything.
I
Yeah.
People are supposed
So
stuff.
what is 0 divided by 0?
0 divided by 0 is undefined. Ah. So
You would say error. You wouldn't say undefined, you say error.
That's what the calculator tells you. But if you did calculus, when you do calculus, they'll tell you it's undefined. At least, you know, they'll try to let you find the limit of
I
that.
do calculus.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Yeah, when y'all do calculus, it'll be fun. I mean, if y'all do calculus, because some of y'all wouldn't even bother. But whenever you do calculus and you start doing limits and stuff, limits to infinity, limits to negative infinity, and all that stupidness, then they'll explain more about the 0 over 0. It's almost like it's basically what it is. It's like, let me not explain it. Don't worry about it. Forget it. Because y'all go to sleep. Y'all go sleep. It's not talking about asymptotic graphs and all that stupidness. Math was fun.
It's not stupid. It's not stupid.
It's not stupid. Good. Look at that. We have a math person in the making. What you want to study? What you want to study? Well, you say you won't know yet. So hopefully, you know, when you get older, you'll know. It may be in the science realm. I don't know. I have no idea. But you seem like whatever you do, you'll do well in it. So that's good.
That's the spirit.
Yeah. 0 over 4 is what? No, not 0 over 4. 0 minus 4 is going to be
-4.
Really, technically. But if we're talking about whole numbers,
you have to borrow from the 2.
You have to borrow, yeah. You have to borrow. So it's crazy that we still use the word borrow because we never give back to people with stuff. So I just say we take it from them.
You know how much money I owe?
That is true.
Steal or thief?
We never, not steal. Come on. Man, I'm not gonna steal it from them. That's not nice. We just take it and never return it.
That's the
1
same
minus.
Do you know how much money I owe the other numbers by now?
I telling you. 1 minus 8 is what? We can't really do that, right?
The 9.
We have to take from the 9, yeah.
That'd be 8, and put the 1 now.
Put the 1 there. 11 minus 8 is what?
3.
8, 9, 10, 11. 3, yeah. 3, yeah. 8 minus 1 is?
And then 7.
7, yeah. 7, so it's 736. That is the balance. So how do we get the balance? All we're gonna do for the balance is I literally don't even remember when I put this. I was like on autopilot. But 920 minus 184, because why? We have 920, that is going to be the price for the television set. But we remember we put $184 down. That's like the down payment. So we put that down, that's gonna be 920 minus 184, and we get 736. That is the balance, right? That is the balance. So you got 736, right? That's the balance. Now we have B. B is going, not B, sorry, C. So we have the balance. The balance is just subtracting the set price with the down payment. That's how we get the balance, right? That's how we get the balance. Now, let's move on to the interest, right? Yeah, the interest. That's what we need, the interest. The interest is what percent of the balance based on the question. The interest is what?
10%.
10% charge on the balance. So how do we write 10% as a fraction?
10 over 100.
10 over 100.
10 over 100, very good. 10 over 100. 10 over 100. Multiplied by what?
736.
736 over 1. 736 over 1. Very good. This is going to be, so we have here, this is going to be the interest. And that's going to be like that. Did I do that last time? Yeah, I did.
Just
okay, good.
I already put it though.
Like, yeah, that's fine. That's no problem. You could like just do it. Doesn't matter. It literally doesn't matter. I promise you it doesn't. Okay, so we're gonna do is we're gonna what? Cancel what? The zeros. So we cancel the 0 with that 0. So we're left with what 1 times 736, which gives us 736, and 10 times 1, which gives us 10. And so this is going to be
Mr. Petit.
go ahead.
So
736.
basically, what you was do, like, and like, other than divide, you just cancel the zeros.
Yeah, basically. So what we do here is we have to cancel the 0, like you said. And then once we cancel the zeros, then we could divide, right? So we have 736 divided by 10. How are we going to do that? Remember, when we divide by 10, that's just what? Moving the decimal point over, right? So we have 736 to the left or to the right? When we divide to the left, very good. So we have the decimal point, move it over to the left-hand side. So it's going to be what? What do I get? $73
$3 and start 60 cents.
and 60 cents. Very good, Adasso. And everyone else who got it, because I'm sure other persons got it as well. So it's going to be $73 and 60 cents. That's what we get so far. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Let me know if y'all have any questions, please. Keon Borrows. Where's Keon Borrows? Where are you?
Good night, Mr. Petit.
Good night. Good night. Who's that?
I just joined this Jai.
Jai. Okay, no problem. Where is go ahead.
I'm a bit confused on this.
A little confused? No problem. I can explain it for you.
Okay.
But we love to start from the beginning, and
Mr. Petit?
I don't want to go all over that until we reach the end, right? But then I'll yeah. But where's Keon? Keon Burrows? Where are you? Where's Keon? Kenneth or Keon? Kevin, where's Kevin? That's Kevin Burrows. Kevin? No, Kevin. Kelvin Gordon. Sure, Kelvin Gordon is there. That's Kelvin.
That's all?
Good. How do we get the interest for part C? What do we do? No, you don't know?
You have to multiply.
Multiply what? So read this part. It's the same part. What did it say? 10% what?
10% interest charge on the balance.
Very good. So 10% interest charge on the balance. So 10%, what is 10%? What is 10%? 10% written as a fraction. That's going to be what?
10 over 100.
10 over 100. And we multiply that by?
736.
Over?
Over 1. Over 1.
Over 1. Very good. So what are we? Yes, Genesis?
May I use the bathroom, please?
Yes, we can.
Thank you.
Are we able to cancel anything? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what can be canceled? We cancel with what?
Well, 0.
Very good. We cancel the 0 with the 0. So we left with 1 times 736, give us 736, and 10 times 1, which is?
10.
Very good. And so now all we have to do is we have to divide 736 by 10, which gives us?
73.60.
Very good. $73.60. And we got that because we took the decimal point and we moved it over to the left or to the right? The left ones. Very good. Thank you. Very good. Who's that speaking? I think that was Kelvin, right? Kelvin. That was Kelvin Gordon I was speaking to, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right, so next, let's move on to question number, well, part D, right? Part D. Okay, so for part D, we have the following. All this. So part D, we want the balance plus the interest. The balance plus the interest. So with this one, I want Jai Thompson to help me. Interesting, I'm choosing Jai because Jai is like, Mr. Padilla, I just reached. But I'm sure you could be able to help with this, Jai. So I want the balance plus the interest, right? Based on the question so far, based on what we have answered, what is the balance, Jai? Look at the
736.
very good. That is the balance, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the interest? We just calculated the interest. The interest is what?
$73.60.
Good. So if I want to find the balance plus the interest, what do I have to do with these two values?
Pardon?
If I want to find the balance plus the interest, what do I have to do with these two values? I have to do what?
You want to add them?
Very good. So someone who add them, can y'all tell me what y'all get? I have $736 plus
$809.60.
you said Adasa?
$809.60.
Good. Dominique, where's Dominique? Dominique. There she is. Where's Dominique? Dominique, are you there? Where's she? No, can't have Dominique. So we have 736 plus $73.60. So we could do is we could just go ahead and add these two, right? So what you say you got, Adasa?
$809.60.
Very good. So we have 736. So 736.00 plus what? $73.60. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. Dot. 6 plus 3 is 9. 7 plus 3 is 10. Put the 0 down, put the 1 up. 7 plus 1 is 8. So we have $809.60. Good. $809.60. Good. That is the balance plus interest. You understand that, Jai, and the rest of us? Do we understand that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Now the last question is we want to figure out what is going to be the next question. What is the balance plus the interest? So balance plus the interest. That's part E, right? No, not the balance plus the interest. We want the
payment.
The monthly payments, yeah. Each of the monthly payments. So each of the monthly payments is what we want. Good. So each of the monthly payments is going to be, so we want monthly payments. Monthly payments is going to be what? That's going to be what? $736. No. $809.60 divided by what?
10.
Divided by 10. Divided by 10. Good. And it's going to be equal to when we divide it, what do we get?
$8.96.
$8?
I mean 80.
80, okay. Good. Good at also. All right, so we have put over here, right? So if we're dividing by 10, what does that mean? What does that look like if we divide by 10? What does that look like?
You move the decimal one to the left.
Move the decimal point one to the left. Very good. Who said that? Who said that fast too? Decimal point. Who?
Andre.
Who?
Andre.
Andre. Okay, no problem. Very good, Andre. It's gonna be, I don't know, all the Andres I know cool. You're just cool. You know? 80.96. And then so yeah, so $80.96. Yeah, that's it. So it's gonna be $80.96. Good. Perfect. And that is that. That is that. Genesis, I met another Genesis, you know. I met another, say it again.
Not Genesis Sweeting?
No, not Genesis Sweeting, not Genesis Sweeting. I even forget about Genesis Sweeting. She probably living her best life. But yeah, I met another Genesis. I was like,
Oh,
wow,
wow.
another Genesis. Wow. All the Genesis I know are like just unique and just, you know, impressive. You know? That's a good thing.
Ah, thank you.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Okay, so do we understand this? Question number 2. Do y'all understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Y'all sure? Okay.
Yes.
All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I am sure y'all are feeling quizzy right now.
That depends on what quizzy means.
Y'all feeling,
It's only 7:20, so
it's only 7:20, so wait until like a little later, as you saying?
yeah.
Okay. All right, so y'all ain't feeling quizzy then? Y'all feeling what?
I'm feeling quizzy.
Feeling quizzy? Well, feeling quizzy just means if you want a quiz by way of vote. Where is Malaya Delabo? How you doing, Malaya? Malaya Delabo. You doing great?
Yes, sir.
That's excellent. Acacia. Acacia is a good pulse of the class. Acacia, are you feeling quizzy?
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay. All right. That's surprising. So you understand the work?
Yes, sir. I was finished like before you finished.
Wow. Okay. All right. Okay. That's great. That's great. Take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Irvin Phillips. Where's Irvin? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
You understand what we're doing? Or are you a little lost?
Yes, sir.
You understand? That's good.
I understand.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I don't have a quiz on this. You might be upset, but I don't have a quiz on this.
I'm not upset.
I don't have a quiz. Well, what her name is? What's her name? Tyler, I know you're not upset.
That's a good thing.
Tyler's not upset at all. Tyler, I'm sure you ain't gonna never be upset. That'd have been Tyler's killing me. Tyler is like, I don't care. Tyler's like, quiz. Spell quiz.
I don't know how to spell quiz.
You don't even know how to spell quiz, that's all.
No, no, I know it. I know how to spell quiz, but when it comes to here, I don't know.
You don't know how to spell quiz, right? I don't blame you. Okay, so, but I don't have no quiz on this. That's the problem, right? I'm just like,
doubt that.
you doubt? So you're saying I'm lying? Wow.
Yes.
So because yesterday
Wow.
I didn't have a quiz, and
Wow.
automatically it pops up in your inventory. I do not believe you right now.
Wow. I am so serious. I don't have a quiz on this. I don't have a quiz. I don't have a quiz, man.
Lying is a sin.
That's why God is disappointed.
Wow, y'all actually think I lied. Wow, let me speak to someone who have confidence in me, man. Amari, do you think I have a quiz somewhere for this?
Mr. Petit.
Amari, come on, man.
I'm not gonna tell you no lie. I think you're gonna have one.
You think
Be
I got?
surprising.
I'm surprising. Wow.
You have a
Wow.
quiz
I
somewhere.
really don't believe you.
Wow, even Mario.
Come on, Mr. Petit, just pull the quiz out your inventory already. We already
You already know it's there. You already know that we got a quiz.
You might as
Wow.
well pull out the quiz now.
Well, I'm no faded me.
At
None.
least open the chat up.
At least open the chat. The chat isn't open? The chat isn't
It's
open?
disabled.
Wow, that's bad. It's terrible. Okay. The chat is open now. But I still don't have a quiz, so yeah, I don't have no quiz, man. I wouldn't lie. I wouldn't lie, but something like that. Something as small as that. Come on. Please. I don't lie. It's not for something that small, right? Y'all literally believe that y'all gonna have a quiz on this. Y'all in for a rude awakening. All right, so let's see. Okay, what we did? We did D. What I do have is I have a great exercise on this. So I want us to do that. So I have to finish writing it down. So y'all could start. This is great exercise number 1. So these ones y'all doing by yourself. It's only 2 of them. So this is number 1, this is number 2. I have to finish with them. So we have to do the balance plus the interest. And what else we had to do again? We had to do the each monthly payment. Yeah. So that's gonna be yeah, each monthly payment. Cool. So there we go. You have one at 20%, the other one at 40%. So just be careful.
We write the question.
Yeah, write down the question as well. Okay, cool. So we have, there we go. So we have this, and let me do the same thing on this side as well. Good, good, good. Okay, so I just want to see if you all know how to do it. If you all have a feel for it. Okay, good. So go ahead. Where's Daria? Daria, are you there? Daria, are you there? Where's Daria?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Daria, you understand what you're doing for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So we have question 1 and we have question 2. And I want you all to go ahead and answer this on your own. Once you finish, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, once you finish, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Jai, you have any questions for me? Because I know you came late.
No, sir.
No?
I'll let you know.
Yeah, just look at the example. It's pretty helpful. Dion Thompson is Dion Thompson. Dion Thompson. Dion Thompson.
Yes, sir.
You have any questions for me based on this?
No, sir.
No, that's good. That's good. And Davnik, are you there? Where's Davnik?
I'm here.
Davnik, we supposed to do the president thing today or next week? I can't remember.
You
Next
said
week.
next week.
Next week.
Yesterday.
I said next week. Okay. Okay.
You said this week.
No,
So y'all-
you didn't. That
so
is a
y'all-
lie. You
so
can
y'all-
go see the recording.
So
I would
y'all
like
the-
next week.
You would like next week. You don't want it this week, right? It's up to y'all. Because we could do it today or next week. So
This week.
Next week.
Next week.
Today.
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 Today. Okay.
Because we
I
really
think
need
the
to shift the
president
power.
should decide. I think the president should decide.
You think the president should decide?
She don't get a say in this right now.
Say she don't get
I
a
don't want the president.
No, because we voted change her.
So y'all really think y'all can
Well,
change
teacher
Daphne?
said next week, yesterday.
Y'all really think y'all can change Daphne? Please.
Yes, I vote for Logan.
Daphne could be president again.
I vote for
Daphne-
Logan. Logan is a better successor.
We'll see about that. We'll see about that. Daphne, what you think? They challenging you for the night, man. Stop it.
She gone quiet. That means we really need a shift in power.
Daphne gone quiet on us.
No, it's because I'm actually doing something.
Wow.
Let me be.
Daphne, you can be president again. And they ain't gonna like that.
Will be.
All right. Especially Logan.
I won't be able to participate if we do it tonight.
Oh, you can't do it. Okay. So if Logan is not able to participate tonight, we have to do it next week.
That's one less if we're doing it tonight.
No, we can't do it tonight. We can do it next week. So gear up. So Tyler, we can wait till next week, okay?
Okay.
And then we can handle Dominique. But I believe Dominique is going to be on the leaderboard at least. Dominique is always on the leaderboard, so we'll see how that works.
You can't stop me.
They can't. All right. Okay, so y'all should be on part A, final the down payment. Let's see. I said today. Ethan said I said today. But Logan won't be able to participate, so I need Logan. I need Logan to participate. I need him to participate. Okay. All right, so I'm seeing some answers in the chat. Thank you, Cordell. But I wanted inside your book. I want to see your working. So let me see. Johnny, what number you want? There's a Johnny. Where's a Johnny? Johnny, what number you want? Let me reshare my screen again. Johnny, what number you want? And Amari, what number you want?
One B.
1B, okay. And Johnny, what number you want? Where's the Johnny? And Acacia, what number you want?
1B.
1B. Okay, that's good. And yes, you're saying something?
I said I just sent you the one. I just sent you the work for the first one.
Who's that speaking? Your voice sounds familiar.
Jai.
Okay. Jai, okay, pretty good, Jai. Just scheme and you was able to finish that very quickly. Anyone else finish question number 1 yet?
I finished it.
Okay, that's good.
I'm done.
Good. Very good, guys. So once you finish with it, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. That'll be pretty good. Some people already finished question number 1, so that's pretty good. That is pretty good, y'all. Okay. Tyler, what number you on?
1C.
1C. Okay, 1C. Anthony. I don't really hear from Anthony in this class. I know she's not shy. Where's Anthony? Anthony, are you there? Where's Anthony? Anthony and Antonio Lewis. Where's Antonio Lewis? Are you there, Antonio? Antonio Lewis. Antonio Lewis. Where's he? And Clayton Murphy, what number you on? Clayton Murphy.
Yes, sir. I just swapped devices.
Okay, that's fine. That's the problem. What number you want, Clayton?
Number 1B.
1B? B as in boy?
Yes.
Okay. So let me go ahead and play.
You go back to one of the earlier slides, please.
Yeah, I literally was gonna go to do that. I gave you this one. This is our second slide, but it's representative of what we did. Yeah. And then let me go quickly back here. You got it, Kanan?
Yes, sir. It's the topic is interest.
Not interest, but it's higher. Be on higher purchase, but it's sort of a different higher purchase question. It's kind of weird, but
So higher purchase part 2.
part 2, yeah, part 2. There we go.
Thank you.
Mr. Petit, can you go back one more time, please?
Who's that speaking?
Alphanique.
Of course, I could go back. No problem.
Thank you.
No problem. You're good. Let's go back to our questions. We have Malik. Malik, what number you on?
I'm on A, sir.
A for number 1 or A for number 2?
Number 1.
A for number 1. Okay, that's no problem. And Ethan A, what number you on? Ethan A, what number you on? The headphones are charging. But tell me, just type it. Type it. 2C, that's good. Good. Davini, what number you on?
1E.
1E, that's good. 1E. Shamastiod, what number you on?
1D.
1D, very good. And Ricardo Linden, what number you on?
The last question on number 1.
1E, okay, no problem. Anyone else finish number 1? Because I'm sure I heard some persons who said they were finishing number 1. Is anyone else finish number 1?
Finish with number Yes, sir.
Finish number 1, that's good.
I'm about to finish number 2.
Finish both.
You finished both? You finished both, Logan?
I already sent my work in.
I just recently finished number 1.
That's good, Dominic. That's good, Dominic. Okay. Good. And we have 73. 92. 80, 96. Yeah, 80, 96, and 73, 92. Okay, cool. All right, good stuff. Good stuff, guys. Let me see what we did here. We didn't finish it. All right. What's the name? The name is Ranel. Ranel, what number you on? Ranel, what number you on? Can't really have from Ranel. So Nehemiah, what number you on? Where's Nehemiah?
Yeah. Yeah.
What number you on?
2.
Who?
2C.
2C.
Uh-huh.
Okay, cool. Good. And we have Lacasia. Lacasia. Where's Lacasia? Lacasia, can you hear me? Where's Lacasia? Lacasia, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What number you on, Lacasia?
Number 1E.
1E, very good. And Marissa Gardner, what number you on? Marissa Gardner, what number you on? Marissa Gardner. Where's she? Can't really have a Marissa. Anyone else? Y'all reached the number 2 yet? You don't reach the number 2 yet?
Yes. Yes, sir, I'm finished.
You finished it? You finished the number. You done? Okay, take a picture of your work for me, please. Layla, where's Layla? Layla, where's Layla?
Here.
What number you on?
2B.
2B. To be or not to be?
That is the question.
That's the question, right? Y'all didn't know nothing but the whole time cartoons, man. Tom and Jerry.
Hey!
That's William Shakespeare.
I didn't know what.
Jesters watching Bugs Bunny.
I didn't know about them, man. All in this new age of what they have now. What they have? Ben 10? Stupid Ben 10.
Can we please?
Okay, that's too far, man.
Well, Ben 10. It's not that bad.
Ben 10.
Why you way too early to call him Ben?
Ben 10. Ben 10. Please.
Can we please get an update where the AI stops rage baiting?
Ben 10. Have you watching Ben 10? People watch Doro. All right, so okay, good. I think we're ready for number 1. Nalia, what number you want? Let's go ahead and answer number 1. Wow, we have done. We have to answer number 1. Let's go. We have to quickly get over this because I don't want to be here all evening just doing this one question. So okay, so cool. So let's go ahead and answer number 1. Any volunteers for number 1A? We want a down payment. What's the down payment? Any volunteers for number 1A? What's the down payment?
178.
170. So we just do 20% multiplied by what? 890.
890.
And I guess it's 178, right? What's the balance?
712.
712. 712. Anyone else got 712 for the balance for number 1?
I did.
Very good. Besides Amari, anyone else got 712?
I did.
Very good.
Got it.
I got 712 as well because I subtract 890 with 712. What you got for the interest?
71.20.
71.20.
71.20. Say it again.
$71.20.
Yeah,
Very good. $71.20. I got that as well. Good. I did not do part D and part E, so I can depend on all these. Tell me the answer. What you got for D? D is what?
$783.20. $83.20.
Very good. I got that as well. Once I did it just now, you're right. So we have these two, 712. So we basically add them, right? So we add 712 with $71.20. But you got what? $73. Sorry, $783.20. Very good. What is the 10 equal monthly payments?
$78.32.
Very good. $78.32. Just basically divide by that. $78.32. Good. This is what I got for, let me go ahead and sample this down. So this is what I got for number one. Anyone got all of number one correct?
Got it.
So I got for number one. Good. Only 3%?
I
The
did.
rest,
I did.
the rest of y'all, did y'all get all of number
I
one
did.
correct? Good. Okay, let's go ahead and do number two. Number two, we have, my phone going dead? How's my phone die? Okay, no, it's not dead. Okay. Just gonna say. Can you imagine I'm in the thing on charge and it going dead? All right, so we have down payment. What's the down payment for number two? The down payment is what?
$368.
$368.
How much?
$368.
Very important because we did 40%, not 20%. You all saw that, right? It's 40%, not 20%. $360. What is the balance? Look up the balance.
$552.
$552.
$552. Very good. I got the same thing. Y'all on a roll. $552. What we got for the interest?
$55.
55 point, yeah. 55.
What?
$55.20.
$55.20.
$55.20. Yes, I agree. I agree with that. $55.20. Good. That's 10% of that. What you got for the balance plus the interest?
$607.20.
Oh.
$607.20.
Very good. I got that as well. 671. Let me put this in yellow. $607.20. Each monthly payment, what y'all got for that?
$60.72.
Oh.
$60.72.
Very good. $60.72. Very good. 72 cents. Very good. Excellent job, guys. Anyone got all right on number two?
I did.
All right on number two.
I didn't.
I messed up the balance and it got everything wrong now.
Yeah, you mean for number two, right?
Yes, sir.
That's fine. That's fine. But just be careful because, with one wrong, then, just be careful with that, right? But once you understand the concept, you should be good. Because they usually give you all follow-through marks anyway. All right, so anyone get all right? A moment of truth. All right.
I did.
Adassa. Just Adassa?
I did.
Adassa.
I did.
Adassa. Okay, good. That's pretty good, guys. It's pretty good. So what I want y'all to do is take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again,
Oh, I got all right. I thought I didn't.
Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to do that, please. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Do that for me right now. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Oh, look at the chat. Apparently a quiz just popped up. Just put started inside the chat. Again, put started.
I knew it.
Wow.
Again, put started inside the chat for me.
I was on your side, We told you that was a reason we didn't believe you.
It just popped up. I can be honest, I did not have it. I didn't have it. It just appeared. All right. I did not have it. All right. Again, take a picture of your work and send. Well, take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp, and I need you all to do quiz number 1. I only gave you all one quiz. You all only need one quiz, right?
This the type of gaslighting I wish for when I put in a game of Among Us.
Just say one quiz, just one. Y'all know I ain't give y'all more than one, right?
You said that last time.
Y'all know I ain't. Come
Are
on.
you sure
I'm
this is
only
one?
gonna give y'all one. Y'all only have like 10 minutes. Why would I
Is
give
this
y'all
1 or 5?
this one? Did you see it does it say part one? Usually it say part one and only say
Another 4 could pop out of nowhere. We never know.
Don't let the devil use you, Mr. Petite. Don't let him do it.
say another
Mr.
four.
Petite, it don't show the grade.
It doesn't show the grade. You're right. You're right. So let me
Oh,
quickly
my
fix
grade
that.
was though.
9 out of 10. Let me fix that.
Misclick.
Misclick, right? That's fine. That's fine. Even that's happened to the best of us.
Can I
That
tell
is
you
even
my grade?
that has even happened to Dominic. So that's fine. We talk about misclicks sometimes. You know, it's a misclicks.
Oh yeah, no.
Adasa got 10 out of 10. I don't know if that makes anyone happy or sad, but she got 10 out of 10. She's the first person to get 10 out of 10, by the way.
Darn
I just saying. I just saying. I don't know. Who knows? She didn't misclick, by the way. That's just
No, I didn't.
just saying. Come on.
I need to misclick my way to 10 out of 10 right now. Hold on.
All right. Very good, Logan. Very good, Adasa. Those are the only 2 persons who finished the quiz so far. So I don't know how they finished that so quick. They would have beaten me. All right, still waiting on the rest of us to finish this quiz. Very good, Brene. Brene did a very good job. This is a tough quiz because it's literally like 2 questions in one. I was like, why? I was thinking of separating them, but I was like, you know what? It is what it is. Brianne Johnson, very good, Brianne. Very good, Brianne Johnson. She got a 10 out of 10. Everyone so far has gotten an A, so that's pretty good. Like, that's pretty good. Really like that for y'all. So very good, Brianne. Very good, Logan. Very good, Adasa. Y'all are doing pretty well. Davini, are you able to see a grade?
No, sir.
No, that's impossible. That is not good. I don't like that. Oh, I know what happened. I know what happened. Gosh, let me quickly fix this. I know exactly what happened. I corrected it for quiz 2. I didn't correct it for quiz 1.
Quiz what?
I mean, I'm sorry. That's a slip. Kind of slipped.
And
but
yet
yeah.
they don't come out of your inventory, right?
Very good. Very good. Amari got 10 out of 10. Very good, Latavia. She got 9 out of 10. Very good, Sion. Fraser, she got 10 out of 10. Very good, Nalia Store. She got 8 out of 10. Very good, Andre Forbes. He got 10 out of 10. Very good, Daria. She got 10 out of 10. Very good, Layla. Layla has a name in fancy letters. I don't know how she got that like that. But 9 out of 10. Casey, are you able to see your grade?
Yes, sir, I can see it.
Okay, perfect. Very good, Kaden. Very good, China. Very good, Jamari Evans. Everyone so far has either got an A or pass. So that's pretty good. Very good, Jamari. Very good, Ethan. Ethan A. Very good, guys. Pretty solid grades. Pretty solid grades. So what I want you to do is take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Very good, Jaden. Very good, Jaden. Very good, Kelvin Gordon. Excellent job. 10 out of 10. So pretty good. I know it's a long quiz, a lot of clicking, a lot of clicking. So, you know, so it's a lot of that. Is it still cold by y'all or like it's warm? Or it's
Still
like
it's
it's
slowly warming up, but they say another
It's warming up and still
Friday and
still
Saturday.
cold here and there? Okay. All right.
Excuse me, Mr. Petite.
Go ahead.
We doing the same thing tomorrow?
Higher purchase, yeah. Higher purchase, yeah, but not this exact question.
So like No, like I don't mean the exact question, but like the exact the down payment, the balance, the interest, the balance plus interest, and each of the 10 monthly, like each of the
No,
10
no,
months.
no, no, no. It's just gonna be a regular simple interest question. It wouldn't be all of this. It just will be down payment and monthly payment.
Yeah, so
Yeah. All right, very good, Irvin. Very good, Andrew. Very good, Antonio. Lewis, very good. Shannon Smith, very good. Cardell, very good. Carly C. Let me send y'all quiz 2 because I don't want y'all to take too long on this. I'm gonna send y'all quiz 2 right now. Okay. Now I do not have a quiz 3. Okay.
Well, that's what you said last time when you said you didn't have any other quizzes.
I do not have a quiz 3. I was not telling a lie. I didn't have a quiz.
You said that we didn't have a quiz too.
I said I didn't have a quiz in the inventory. It just popped up in the chat. You know.
I thought you said you didn't have some crazy type of admin command. Did this one also pop up?
Yeah, sliding 101.
All right, you can put started inside the chat. Started inside the chat. Yeah, I'm telling you all, no one believes me, man. That's your problem now.
Yeah, you can't believe everything on the internet.
we only believe in Jesus.
That's true. That is true. I'm not wrong with that. Okay, so you can start quiz 2. Start quiz 2. All right, let's see where the grades for quiz 2. Well, let me see quiz 1 grades first, and let's see how y'all do with that. And then quiz 2, very good, Carly C. Very good, Carly C. Very good, Keyshawn. Very good, Jabron. Very good, Lakesia. Very good, Jai. Very good, Tyler. Look at Tyler in all the glory. Ronell Hensey. Tyler, why do you hate my quiz and you always get 10 out of 10? I don't understand that.
Well, you see, when you see too many quizzes in your one and only lifetime, you start to get tired of it, so you don't know how to spell quiz.
Wow. Very good, Kevin. Very good. Courtney Raming, please redo your quiz. Again, Courtney Raming, please redo your quiz. Courtney Raming, please redo your quiz. Kevin Call, very good. And the rest of us, please do your quiz. Some people have not even started quiz 1 yet. So how is it 5 and it's the 8?
I finished second quiz.
Who's that speaking?
Lilo.
Layla. No problem, Layla. Let me check quiz 2. Anyone else finish quiz 2? Besides Layla?
I have, but I'm redoing it.
Quiz 2 is a lot. I may not even have enough time.
I'm done.
Who's that speaking?
Jamari.
Jamari. Very good, Jamari. Layla. Where's Layla? Where's Layla? Layla, are you there?
Yeah.
You're doing very good. You're doing pretty well.
Thank you.
You're the first one to get a 10 out of 10 on the second quiz. That's impressive. That's impressive. I also like your fancy. I don't know how you do that, but it works. Very good, Ethan A.
That's like an auto thing. Like it goes there by itself.
It goes there by itself. Okay. Very good, Jamari. Very good, Sion. Very good, Andre. Very good, Logan. The people who I just named, the 7 people who I just named, all of them got 10 out of 10, including Jabron on the second quiz. So they're doing pretty good. They're doing pretty good. Very good, Davinique. Nalia Store, please redo the second quiz as well. Very good, Tyler. Excellent. Very good job, Tyler. Very good job, Tyler.
I'm finished with quiz 2.
Adasa, you are? Oh, yes, you are. Yes. All right, very good, China. Very good, Kelvin. Very good, Kaden. Very good, Casey. Amari King, very good. This is for the second quiz, by the way. Y'all are doing pretty well. Okay, cool. Who's finished with the first and second quiz? Let me know if you're finished with the first and second quiz. Very good, Davin. Very good, Davin. Remember, you have to get at least an 8 out of 10 on both of them, at least, to be completed. Very good, Amari. Very good, Kevin. Very good, Brian Johnson. By the way, let me repost the quiz inside the chat. Let's repost this quiz. This is quiz 1, and this is quiz 2.
Did you see my grade?
Who's that speaking?
Brene.
Brene. Yes, I see a grade. You want me to want me tell you what you get, or you didn't see it?
I already see it.
Okay, good stuff. Very good, Courtney. Very good, Courtney. Very good, Ronell. Hinsey. Doing very good job, Odell. Very good, Irvin. Phyllis, 10 out of 10. Ronell also got a 10 out of 10 as well. Very good, Jaden. Very good, Jaden Pyfrom. Very good. All right, very good. Well, Jai, please read your quiz. Quiz 2. Very good, Travis. Where's Travis? Travis as well. Very good, Travis. Oh, it's 8 o'clock. No one told me it's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock, guys. All right, so
Actually, 8:01.
It's actually 8:01. You're right. 8:01. All right, so that means that we have to move on to English. Nothing wrong with that. I actually do like English. English is refreshing, especially after all that analytics that we just did. So if you're not doing English studies, please just say good night quietly in the chat. And yeah, just say good night quietly in the chat, and then you can leave. The rest of us, we're gonna do our English, right? So, okay, cool. So for English, what we could do is let's move on to English studies, right?
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
what do you mean by the balance?
The balance. Okay, so when they say the balance, it means what's left. So after you pay the deposit, let's say the deposit is $168, right? Once you pay the deposit, and remember they securing that for you, right? But what is like basically you deduct it from the original price. So what's left after you pay the balance from the original price? So if the original price is $900 and the deposit is $200, what's the balance?
It's 800.
Close. If the original price is 900 and the deposit is 200,
Oh,
what is
700.
700? That makes sense to you now?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, so good. Let's move on to question number, not question, but let's move on to English. So my name is Mr. Petit, and today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, unfortunately, or fortunately, however you want to look at it. February.
Oh no, it's Wednesday. Whatever shall I do?
Yeah, that means we only have one more day for class. Look at that. Now I gotta wait the whole weekend
Mr. Petit,
before class. Yeah.
you can look at my test grade, please.
Who's that, Keyshawn?
Yes, sir.
Keyshawn got quiz 1 or quiz 2?
Quiz 2.
Did you send it? Keyshawn. I don't see yours. I don't see no Keyshawn now. Nope. No Keyshawn. It's not here. Unless you missing do quiz 1. Yeah, it doesn't have your stuff. Yeah, I don't see it. Let me check quiz 2. I mean quiz 1. I see quiz 1, 10 out of 10, but I don't see quiz 2, right? So yeah. Okay, so let's move on to English. So English, we have a good topic today. I actually like this topic. It's one of my favorite topics. Not in a bad way. It's like not in a bad way. Like it's in a good way. It's actually one of my favorite topics, and probably one of the most important topics that I ever teach in English. So obviously, for now, in this world and in the Bahamas, the Bahamas always late for technology. If it wasn't for COVID, it would have been even worse. COVID forced a lot of people in the Bahamas to start learning how to use a computer. But in the Bahamas, obviously, when you do your exam is graded. Now, for now, at least for now, in 2026, February 2026, in the year of our Lord 2026, for now, humans are marking a paper, right? We don't know what's gonna happen in the next few years. Who knows? They may let AI mark your paper. But for now, humans are still marking your papers, right? And when we mark your paper, we use like a criteria, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you all the secret sauce. So if I had to name this study or this lesson for this evening, I would say secret sauce. So this is the secret sauce, right? This is what we use when we mark your paper, right? So it's good to know what we are looking for whenever we mark your work. This is the criteria for grading scripts. And this is specifically for continuous writing papers. That means that this is specifically whenever you're writing an essay. So, like in your exam, they're gonna have a moment where you have to write an essay, right? For some people, it's 300 to 350. For some people, it's 500. But whatever length it is, you obviously want to stay within the word length. But there are some criteria that we always use whenever we mark your paper. So I'm going to give you all the secret sauce tonight, and I hope you'll never forget it. So whenever you are considering your continuous writing piece or your essay, you will always use this criteria. And if you follow this criteria, you will always get a good grade, even an excellent grade. All right, so we're going to give you all the secret sauce. So the first criteria that we always use is, so it's 4 criterias, 4 main criterias, right? So the first criteria that we always use is going to be material. That's the first criteria, material. If you get this wrong, then obviously everything else is wrong. So that's why I think this is the most important one. The first thing is material. Now, whenever you write an essay, you want to make sure that the material is appropriate. Now, when we say that the material is appropriate, we mean, does it obey the prompt? And when we say, does it obey the prompt, what we basically mean, so let me write this down. So the first question is it appropriate? So that's the first question. Is it appropriate? All right. Does your writing, does it obey the prompt? That's what we basically talk about. Now, when I say the prompt, what do I mean by the prompt? When I say the prompt, what do I mean by the prompt? The prompt is what?
The main topic or the main focus?
Yeah, the prompt is the question, basically. Right? That's what I mean by the prompt. The prompt is the question. So they give you a question and they want you to answer it with an essay. So the question is, does it, so let's go ahead and read this, does it obey the prompt? That's what we mean. Does it obey the prompt? That means the question you're answering. The second thing under material is we ask, is it mature? Is it mature? Is it what one expects from a student at that grade level? So that means that you could answer the question, but the way you answer it is important. So you could answer the question, but in your answering of the question, you sound like you in grade 3, or you sound like you in grade 2. Now you still answered the question, but you didn't answer it in a way where what I expect from you. Because what I expect from a 2-year-old, I do not expect from someone who almost ready to graduate, right? The next question is it interesting? All this is under material. Is it interesting? The next thing is the material well explained? Well explained. And finally, is it detailed? Is the material detailed? So those are the 5 questions that we ask under material. All right. So Adasa, can you read the 5 things under material?
Material content. Is it appropriate? Does it obey the prompt, the question you're answering? 2, is it mature? Is it what one expects from a student at that grade level? 3, is it interesting? 4, is the material well explained? And 5, is it detailed?
Very good. So those are the questions that we ask. And whenever we mark in your paper, those are the questions that come in our mind. So if you write something that sounds like a person who's in grade 2 or grade 1, if you write something that is boring, if you write something that is not well explained, if you write something that goes off from the question, do you think you're gonna get a good grade?
No, sir.
No, you're definitely not gonna get a good grade. Shanique Wood, not Shanique, Ranique Wood. Where's Ranique? Ranique, can you hear me? Ranique Wood. And Latavia Cooper. Where's Latavia?
Yes, sir.
Can you read the 5 criterias that we have so far?
1, is it appropriate? Does it obey the prompt, the question you're answering? 2, is it mature? Is it what one expects from a student at the grade level? 3, is it interesting?
4. Is the material well explained? 5. Is it detailed?
Very good. So those are the things that we are asking for whenever we're marking your work. And the next part that we ask, or the next thing that we consider is style. So we consider material. The next thing we consider is style. Style. All right, style.
Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
You mean number 6?
No, this is number 2. Like this is like another big, this is like another big heading. Yes, huh? So under material, there are 5 points. Under style, there are going to be some other points as well. So when we talk about style, we're talking about number 1 is the vocabulary varied. Is the vocabulary varied? Okay, is the vocabulary varied? Number 2, is there an understanding of the effectiveness, or some might say the efficaciousness of sentence structure? That is, have different structures been used?
Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
With that OS.
With that OS, what you talking about?
By number 2.
Is there an understanding of, of the effectiveness of sentence structure? I am thinking faster than I'm typing. You're right. Is there an understanding of the effectiveness of a sentence structure? That is, have different structures been used? Number 3, is there a sense of audience? Number 4, is there an awareness of style in varied situations? That is, does the writer use different styles, or we could say stylistic devices? And lastly, is the script sophisticated? So let's break down these 5 components. So when I say, is the vocabulary varied, what comes to your mind? Is the vocabulary varied? What are they trying to talk about? What are they talking about? Spelling. What do we expect from you when we say, is the vocabulary varied?
Like you're not using grade 1 or 2 or 3 words.
Very good. You're not using baby words. You're using sophisticated language. But it also has to be varied, right? So sometimes you could use very long words, and then sometimes you could use medium words. You don't want to just use long words. No. That's why it says the vocabulary varied. I mean, sometimes you could use simple words, and sometimes you could use big words, but you have to understand that these words have an effect on people, right? So you can say, for example, let me use a simple word. I'm going to use a simple word, but yet it has a great and grand effect, right? I could say, the reporter seemed like she suffered she suffered a very stressful divorce, seeing that she never smiled in the last 5 years. Let me say it again. The reporter seemed like she had a very stressful divorce, seeing that she never smiled in the last 5 years. Now, did I use any particularly big words in that sentence? Were there any Were there any like particularly big words that I use? What you would say?
Not necessarily to
No,
our level.
no, I didn't really use any big words. But did you feel that sentence, right? Like, how did that sentence make you feel?
I feel like I understood it, but I didn't feel it. Like there's no vivid.
There was no
Yeah.
vivid feel to it? Well,
Kinda.
kinda. How?
I don't know if it's just me.
I mean,
Yeah.
it could be just you, but let me explain it some more. If someone never smiled for 5 years, like, wouldn't that like touch you in a way? Like,
Yes.
like this person
Yes, so.
never smiled. Now,
It's an
smile isn't,
exchange.
yeah, smile isn't a big word, right? But if someone has not smiled in 5 years, that's a big problem. You understand? So sometimes you could have a small word that has a big impact, right? She never, I never saw her smile, right? That is a strong statement, right? That is like, wow, like, wow, man, never saw her smile. Like, that's, shoot, I wanna go there and give you a hug, right? So it's a small word, but yet it
It's a
has a,
fatigue.
go ahead.
If someone never smiled in like 5 years, I would have probably run.
You probably, yeah, I don't know. That person going through some tough times, right? But again, it's a small word, and indeed, it's a simple sentence, but yet the sentence it has a strong impact, right? So you gotta understand that sometimes simple words could have a strong impact, right? But sometimes complex words can also have a strong impact as well. So you wanna vary it. You wanna vary it. You wanna have big, strong, complex vocabulary, but wherever needed, you want to simplify it a bit, right? So you want to have a mixture of it. Now, I'm not saying go to primary school level. You never descend in the primary school level realm, right? But mix it up. Have long words, have medium words, right? But never primary school words, unless you're trying to make a, a impact in what you're trying to say. So make your vocabulary varied, varied. I could use a simple word, but yet it's still profound, like wit, right? He had charisma, a sense of well-being, and an intuitive wit about him, right? Wit is a small word, but you see how I use that in a sentence? He had great charisma. He had a strong sense of well-being and an intuitive wit about him, right? I just put wit there. Like, put wit in like a long word, but wit means like, okay, so he's clever, right? He's kind of intelligent, right? So you could use big words and you could mix it up with little small words too, but yet you have to use it effectively. I just want to let y'all know that small words can be used, medium words can be used, but they just have to be used in a way that it shows your skill. Think about when you're writing, think about it like if you've been training, let's say you've been training, you've been boxing, you've been doing jujitsu, you've been doing karate, for those persons who do those stuff, or say for example, you've been just playing a game, Roblox, any game on Roblox, and you're really good at it, right? If you're really good at something, or say you're playing Mortal Kombat, whatever game you're playing, right? And then someone come over to your house. When someone come over, you're gonna keep on using the same move. Like you want to show them that you want to show them that you could play. So you would use like this move, you will do the uppercut, you will do the kick, you will do the do, you will do all type of varied move to show them that like, bro, like I
Really
can play,
describing the strongest battlegrounds.
right? Like I could play, like I could actually play. So
Like
that is,
you know that.
so you wanna use all your skills. You wanna show them that you could do the little 1-2. You can show them you could do the little crossover. You can show them you could do the step back.
So basically, I would try and press them and encourage them not to make them
I
not
have a
want to come
question.
back.
Exactly. You
How
wanna
is
tell
there
them.
a basketball?
Yeah, because we go on to 2K, so we going from just slide over to 2K. Never mind. Y'all didn't know about that. Sorry.
Mortal Kombat? What you
I
mean?
give up. I give up. I give up.
Listen, Petit,
I
you
would
would play
say
2K?
Sub-Zero.
I give up.
Wait a sec. I heard Roblox.
I give
I
up.
heard Smash Bros. I heard
Okay.
Mortal Kombat. What game you trying to tell
We
us?
doing a mixture.
Smash
We doing a
Bros. Kind of
mixture.
like the.
We doing a mixture. We doing a mixture. We varied. But my point is that when you want to show the person that you have a bunch of skills, right? You ain't gonna use the same thing over and over unless you're trying to unless you're trying to be cheesy. But you want to use varied moves, varied skills to show them that hey, you got it. The same thing what you want to do in your writing. When you're doing your writing, you want to write long, you want to write complex sentences, you want to write medium sentences, you want to write short sentences, you want to use long words, you want to use medium words, you want to use small words, because you want to show them that hey, I could explain this, I could use a simile, I could use a metaphor, I could use alliteration, I could use persona, I could use I could use imagery, I could do this, right? Because if you don't show them it, they'll never know that you could do it because this is your first time that they're reading your stuff and they ain't gonna read it again. So if you don't show them that you have it in your arsenal, they ain't gonna know that you could do it, right? So that's why you want to make sure your vocabulary is varied. You want to make sure your style is varied. Don't just use one style. Use different styles, right? That's why it says here, is there an awareness of what? Of style in what? Varied situations. So not every sentence is going to end with a period. Not every sentence is going to end. So you're going to switch it up. You might have a question mark, might have an exclamation mark. You want to have commas. You want to have semicolons, hyphens, M dashes. You have all these different things to show them like, listen, I could slice and cut this whatever way I could do this, right? So is the script sophisticated? Wait, by the way, we skip something. Is there a sense of the effectiveness of sentence structure that is have different sentence structures been used? That's the same thing I've been explaining. Long sentences, medium sentences, small sentences. Mix them up. Is there a sense of audience? Now, when we say is there a sense of audience, that means like, hey, is this person aware that they're not talking to themselves, they're trying to explain something to someone. If you're trying to explain, I hate getting directions from certain people. When you get directions from certain people, they tell you, hey, just turn there, turn to the left. Like, bro, I don't know where I go. I don't know where I go. And you just tell me, turn left. Like, I don't know. But then you have some people, they'd say, you know what? Here's what to do. Turn left, and then you'll see the orange building, and then you'll go upstairs, and then you'll see the red towel on the door, and then you're gonna knock on the door, and you can see Miss Hathaway, and Miss Hathaway gonna tell you to go downstairs, and then you're gonna go behind the connect tree, and then you're gonna go through the shortcut, and then you're gonna go through that road, and then after that, like I want a detailed explanation, right? So whenever you are writing to someone, or whenever you're writing your work, you want to explain it. Because is there a sense of audience? You can't just say, I had a great day. I had a beautiful day. Okay, you had a great day, but you had a beautiful. What made it beautiful? Why it was beautiful? Why it was awesome? Why you feel that way? Like, you got to give me more. Because I don't know what's inside your head, right? I don't, all I know is it's on the paper. So that's what we mean by is there a sense of audience? That means that you break it down. Like pretend like you're talking to a 2-year-old. Break it down. Don't be afraid to break it down. That's what I see a lot of students do. They scared to break it down. Break it down. Explain it step by step. Is there an awareness of style in various situations? Does the writer use different stylistic devices? So we're looking to see if you use these devices. We're looking to see if you use it. So if you know how to use a metaphor, if you know how to use a simile, if you know how to use personification, if you know how to use automatopoeia, if you know how to use idioms, if you know how to use these things, then use them, right? We ain't gonna know if you know how to do them unless you use them, right? So that's what we're looking for. We want to see different stuff used appropriately so we can know that, hey, you were able to do it. And finally, is the script sophisticated? All these things make it sophisticated. By staying on point, by being mature, by being interesting, by being detailed, by breaking it down, by having varied sentence structure, all these things make it sophisticated. All right? Next, we have 2 more. Okay. 2 more, and then that's it. So the next one is going to be, so we have material, we have style, number 3. I can't remember what number 3 is about. Number 3 is about, Accuracy. Accuracy. So number 3 is accuracy. So that is where everything starts to, becomes like the traditional or conventional English. So number 3 would be accuracy. So that's where we start talking about, obviously, grammatical errors. So I mean, that's where you got to know your English. So is it, so number 3 says, boom, 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 boom. So number 3 says, is the grammar accurate? Does the writer use standard English? So are we going to use dialect? Are we going to use that Bahamian dialect? And I write it? No.
Oh.
Is the punctuation accurate? So you remember, you always start with capital letter and with a period, or make sure you punctuate properly. Has it been used to enhance the style? Again, comes right back to the style. Number 3, if used, is the speech accurately punctuated? So if you are quoting someone, you have to use what? If you're quoting something, you have to use what? Quotation what?
Quotation mark.
Quotation marks. Very good. Word usage. Again, word usage. Is it varied? It's going to come right back to word usage. Is it varied? Is it interesting? Is it interesting? Is it sophisticated? Is it precise? Have risks been taken? That means I don't want to see the same old, right? I want it to be creative. I want you to create. I want you to invent. I want you to, inspire me. I want to feel like I inside. I want to feel like I am immersed in this topic, this subject. I want to feel like, wow, I want to be blown away, right? Is the spelling accurate? Like, take me for a ride. Take me in the movie. I want to go in the movie. I want to. Anyone watch the new Avatar, Fire and Ash? You can't watch that. My bad. And I was like, yo, that for your age. I feel like, I like for your age group, right? Fire and Ash.
You watched it. Spoiler, he
Yo,
got entered into the.
you watch Fire and Ash?
Yeah, I could go into IMAR.
Yeah, I could do anything. But if you watch that, you would see the world that it was in. It's like the blue and they had like these, what they call them, air travelers. I can't remember what they call them. Man, the people with the big balloon, the hot air balloon stuff. That it, what they call them? I can't remember what the name of they gave them. But it looked like I think they say air traders or something like that. But they look like, I'm like, when I saw it, I was like, whoa, they have the graphics on this is surreal, right? It's like you enter a universe and it's like you're looking around and you're like, whoa, my gosh, right? So you are immersed into the whole experience. You feel like you're there. You hear the sounds, and every little minute there's like boop, 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 boop. Like it just, your heart like a roller coaster, right? Persons described it as something like that. Never watched anything like that. It's like up and down and up and down, up and down. Suspense straight through. Who's gonna die? It's gonna stay alive. Please don't kill the babies, right? So it's kind of like that. It's like it's
They killed
interesting.
the babies.
No, they did not. But it's like you're like, please don't. Right? Very early they were like that. So
early.
Yeah, early. Like I talk about like not even 10 minutes
That
in.
sounds cinematic.
Yeah.
That sounds great.
Yeah. So that's the thing, right? So it's the same thing with your writing, right? You have to carry us into this whole world. You have to carry us into this experience. You have to make it interesting. And sometimes that involves taking risks. Sometimes that involves saying something in a way that you're like, I don't know. I want to be creative, but I'm gonna try, right? And then it works. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's flop, but you just take the risk, right? And that's what we want to see. We don't want something. I went to the store. I had a great day. It was nice. I remember, I mean, like, come on, like, come on, that's all you got,
I had a
like,
day of
I mean, it
excellence.
seems fine to me.
like, come on, man, that ain't creative. That is
If
not
I was in
creative.
pre-K, that would have been busting.
You right
That
there.
would
It would
have
have been
been
the best thing ever.
triple platinum on an album.
Well, you're not in pre-K no more. So
Look like
you're
I'm gonna be using that the next time.
I missed the
you
nap time though.
right. So it has to be interesting. It has to be interesting. It has to be creative, and it has to be punctuated well. Finally, the fourth one. I did promise only four, right? So finally, the fourth one is structure. Structure or organization. Structure or organization. So, like the Bible say, let everything be done in decency and in. Y'all don't know the rest?
Structure,
Order.
I don't know it, but
And in order. Let everything be done in decency and in order. So that means that
train a child in the way he should go, and they shall not depart from it.
that is also another good one. So your writing, your work should be organized. The reason why it should be organized. So imagine someone come to you and they looking dead sloppy and they trying to sell you something. You be like, bro, I don't want to buy none from you. I don't want to buy none from you. Why don't you want to buy none from me? This is the best thing ever. I don't think so, bro. So
It might be late.
how you present yourself is very important. So that means people who like to write, people who have
Like
bad
the
handwriting,
Rastas.
oh, please don't say that. People who have bad handwriting, people who have handwriting that needs help. You are, try your best to write neatly, right? Make sure you have paragraphs, make sure things are in order, make sure you indent, make sure you have introduction, three-body paragraphs, conclusion, make sure everything is written properly, right? So the question is, have paragraphs been used? And if you use paragraphs, do they have a thesis and do they have a hook in the introduction? Do they have a background information? Do they have the thesis statement? Do they have topic sentence, three supporting details, concluding sentence, topic sentence, three supporting details, concluding sentence? Do they have an introduction and a conclusion? Does the introduction and conclusion mirror? Do they stay in the same thing? Or is everything coordinated? Do they stay on track? That's what we're talking about. We're talking about structure. So are they haphazard, or purposeful, or purposeful? Are there paragraphs links? Are there paragraph links? That means, are your things connected? Are transitional words and phrases, words and sentences, phrases, and sentences used? Does the essay have overall unity? And finally, is there a clear and effective start and finish? That's what we're looking for, right?
Miss Petit,
Go
did
ahead.
you know you could use control backspace to delete words?
I can control backspace. Let me see. Oh, okay. Didn't know that. Thank you.
You
Is there?
actually didn't know?
Oh, I didn't know you could use. I didn't know you could delete a whole word.
AI.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
And if you select it, then press cut. That's like doing the same thing as copying it, basically.
Yeah, I'm familiar with that way, but I didn't know you could do that. But yeah, he showed me something good. I can be using that. Shoots. So thank you, Logan.
On the computer all this time.
I telling you. Shoots. All right,
So
okay, good. So someone wanted me to go back. Let me go back briefly, like 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now let's go back. All right, so okay, so with this one, we have accuracy, we have structure. So now you know I've given you the secret sauce, right? Now you know what we be looking for. So you can't say you didn't know, right? Good. So let me ask you the question. Whenever you're writing an essay, when examiners mark your work, do they expect something that is bland or creative?
Creative.
Creative.
Creative, very good.
Creative.
Creative, very good. Do they expect you to use only complex sentences or they expect you to mix it up?
Mix it up.
Mix it up.
Mix it up, very good. All right, next question. When it comes to grammatical errors, should you have them or should they be avoided?
Avoided.
Avoided, very good. When it comes to sophistication, should your writing be sophisticated or should it be informal?
Sophisticated.
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 Very, very good. And when we say sophisticated, what do we mean? We mean what?
Not lousy.
Not lousy. Okay, close.
Correct grammar, punctuation,
Mhm.
like bigger words per se, more
Very good.
complex
Yeah,
ideas and
complex.
words.
Yes, yes, yes. That's what we mean by sophistication. Something that is intellectually stimulating, right? Pause. But something like that. Are there okay, so we expect transitional words, we expect transitional phrases. We expect the essay to have an overall unity to it. All right. Now, do we expect you to use standard English or we expect you to use Bayman dialect?
Standard English.
Standard English unless it's dialogue.
Unless it's dialogue. And if you're using something like that, what you gonna use to quote it?
Quotation marks.
You're gonna use quotation marks. Okay, are y'all done with this? If so, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Go ahead.
Like right before and after you put the quotation marks, are you supposed to put a comma?
It depends.
Or do you have to?
You don't have to, no. You don't have to. No. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. We are going to have a brief quiz, like a short quiz on this. And then once you finish the quiz, then you will go. So quickly take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. And then
you could go up, please.
Let me go up. Go up. As in up, as in you mean the previous slide or just like open it up like this?
Like to like 1 and 2.
1 and 2. Okay, gotcha. Previous slide. Okay, for those who need the previous slide, here it is.
And after this, you go back on 3 and 4.
3 and 4. You want me to go back to 3 and 4? Okay, no problem. I can go back to 3 and 4. So let's go back to 3 and 4. There we go. Okay, no problem. I did say we're gonna have a quiz on this, so let me quickly give you all the quiz. So people who wanna leave could quickly do their quiz and go. All right. So it's going to be a very short quiz, only 10 questions. Let me make sure y'all could be able to get your quiz grade. So make sure y'all able to get it. I'm gonna put the quiz inside the chat. Again, I'm gonna put the quiz inside the chat. Once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, once you started, please put started inside the chat. Yes, someone have a question for me?
Can you go to 1 and 2, please?
1 and 2. Yeah, sure. 1 and 2. Just 1 and 2. Okay. Let me go ahead and see the grades. Again, everyone should be doing the quiz inside the chat. Either you're doing the quiz or you're writing down the notes. One of the two. Okay, either you're doing the quiz or you're writing down the notes. One of the two. One of the two. But everyone should be doing the quiz. Everyone should be doing the quiz.
Mr. Petit, I'm done.
Jamari? Yes, about Jamari. Very good, 10 out of 10. Very good, Jamari. Very good, Dorcia. Very good, Dorcia.
I'm finished.
Very good, Adasa. Very good, Adasa.
Good night.
Good night, good night. Malik, very good job. Malik, Logan, Casey, Dominic, Sion, Cleveland, Andre, Jeremiah, Cordell Pratt. All y'all did very well on your quizzes. Very good job, guys.
Wait, so once you
Thank
finish,
you, sir. Thank you.
Good night.
Good night. Very good, Jai. Very good, China. Very good, Monique Wood. The rest of us, please go ahead and do the quiz.
Good night, Mr. Petit.
Very good, Tyler. Wait, no, Tyler, redo your quiz. Amari, very good.
good night.
Good night, good night, good night.
Good night.
Good
Good
night.
night. Good night, good night, guys. Again, please quickly do your quiz. Jabron, please redo your quiz. Antonio Lewis, very good job.
Good night, Mr. Petit.
Good night, Kanan. Very good, Kanan. Very good, Kaden. Kaden Francis. Very good, Irvin. Phyllis. Very good, Travis as well.
Good night.
Good night, good night, good night. Good night. Very good, Travis as well. Very good, Clayton Murphy. Very good, Jabron. Very good, Samaya.
Good night.
Good night,
Good
good night,
night.
good night, good night. Let me repost the quiz again because some people may not have the quiz. So let me repost the quiz.
Good night.
Good night, good night. All right, no problem. Ayana, I see your message. I am thirsty. Let me get some water. Very good, Tyler.
Thank you. Good night.
Very good, Ronell. Very good, Latavia. Kevin, please redo your quiz.
Good night.
Good night, good night.
Night.
Good night, good night, good night.
See you tomorrow by God's grace.
Likewise, Cleveland. Very good, Alphonic. Very good, Carly C. Kevinic and Alexia, please redo your quiz. Very good, Rian Johnson.
Good night.
All right, the rest of us, please quickly redo your quiz. Let me go ahead and post the quiz inside the chat again. Quiz number 1. All right. I'm gonna leave in like 2 minutes. So I want y'all to quickly finish your quiz. If not, y'all still can finish it and I'll still be able to get your grade. So 2 more minutes and then I'll leave. Very good, Devon Johnson. Very good, Devon. Very good, Nalia. Very good, Kevin. Very good, Ayana Smith. Very good, y'all. All right. I'll have to leave. But I'll see y'all tomorrow. Have a good night, everyone. Take care. See y'all soon.